Hello again, children. Good morning. And we have seen internal structure of a leaf. And now we have seen what is the location of a chloroplast in the leaf. So they are present in the palisade tissue. More number of chloroplasts are present in the palisade tissue. And that is why the upper part of the leaf appears more green in color when compared to lower part. So if you see the structure of a chloroplasts are more number of chloroplasts are present in the palisade tissue, and each cell contains more than 200 chloroplast molecules. And next thing, so the chloroplasts are discoid in their shape, not round, discoid in their shape, and they have two membranes. Outer membrane, this one is outer membrane, and this one is inner membrane. Inside the inner membrane, there are, you can see, plate like structures arranged one above the other. Plate like structures which are arranged one above the other, they are called as granathylakoids. They are called granathylakoids, and they contain the pigment which is called as chlorophyll, which is responsible for the green color of the leaf. And so these granathylakoids are arranged. They are connected with each other. So with thread-like structures. And next thing, these granathylakoids are present in a colorless substance. Colorless substance which is called as stroma. So it has no definite color, which is called as stroma. So here, so if you see that protein molecules will be there, and an organelle which is present in the green parts of the plant in the palisade tissue. So you can see outer membrane, inner membrane, granathylakoids, and so which are green in color, and stroma, so that is a colorless substance where the granathylakoids are present, just like a plate-like structures arranged one above the other, and some protein molecules, DNA molecules are present in the chloroplast. Okay, so this is the internal structure of chloroplast. And here, if you see, and I want to again make you remember oxidation and reduction reactions which I have taken in the first lesson. That is, oxidation means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, removal of electron is called oxidation, and reduction means addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, and addition of electron is called reduction. So here in the chloroplast, oxidation reduction reactions will take place. How do they take place? And what is the different steps that we have to see? And in this, so now you know about the structure of chloroplast, where it is, what is the location of the chloroplast, where it is present, and why the plants appear more green in color in upper part due to the presence of more number of chloroplasts, and also lower part appears less green in color because presence of that is spongy tissue which contain a less number of chloroplasts. So this is the structure of chloroplast, and in the next class we shall see how the process of photosynthesis takes place, mechanism of photosynthesis, which is very important, and you will come across so many so many steps. That means as we have seen in the reaction, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chloroplast, glucose is formed, oxygen is liberated. It is not such a simple action. That means so many intermediate substances are formed for the final formation of glucose. So intermediate substances, that means which are formed in between. They are, so before the formation of final substances, so many intermediate substances are formed. So that it includes lot of mechanism. So that we shall see the mechanism of chloroplast, mechanism of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis mechanism will take place mainly in two steps, light reaction and dark reaction. So what is light reaction and what is dark reaction, that we are going to study in the next class. So I hope you have understood the structure of a chloroplast. It's very easy. And you can see the location of chloroplast, the structure of chloroplast, outer membrane, two membranes, outer membrane, inner membrane, granathylakoids which contain chlorophyll pigment, and so they are suspended in a colorless substance which is called as a stroma. Okay, so stroma, so for light reaction, first step of photosynthesis will take place in grana, and dark reaction will take place in the colorless substance which is called as a stroma. So that we shall study in detail in the next class. Okay, thank you.